What's up, guys? So today I woke up motivated. I was like, I want to do something different with our vlog channel. I mean, I know we do a lot of traveling and like it's more focused on traveling, but now I really want to do something that's showing you guys what we usually do in LA, you know, where we go eat, places we go to, so stuff like that. We're gonna do some challenges, you know, just do more fun stuff other than just traveling, because traveling, it's like every few months and I feel like we need to be uploading more. So right now it's what, like 10? I'm about to go wake up Chels, go to her house. We're gonna go get her nails done and then we're gonna go hit up Chick-fil-A, go eat some breakfast, and after that we'll see what we do with our day.
Hola mis compañeros y compañeras. So we just finished eating Chick-fil-A. That's our favorite spot to go eat. That's how we got fat. And now
Who's fat?
Awkward. Now we are going to
Echo Park.
And I really want to do the paddle boats.
Oh,
dude, what if like we go on it and it just tilts to your side and we fall in the water? I don't know how to swim.
We just got to Echo Park. We're gonna get on the, you see those little boats over there?
You're like,
oh.
It's gonna move a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's gonna move.
No. There's holes in the bottom, so you can't flip it over.
I don't take naps.
Oh!
I don't take naps. Me and the money, I'll wait till it looks dumb.
Shelly, take the wheel. Shelly, take the wheel.
Oh, you're so embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
I think I got the hang of this.
It's like driving a car. Oh wait, she can't drive.
Yes, I can.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
What?
This picture.
Every color bleeds into the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away,